800. For the second prize it is 2,500, and for the first prize it is 400.
Okay, the third prize to the first medico Lija Tripathi, medico Kalyani Mahapatro, medico Tasrim Akhtari, and medico Lakshmi Prushti. The beauties of homeopathy. Okay, now let us celebrate this occasion. It's a very beautiful moment.
And ultimately we have decided to start giving a topic to all the students. It is decided by them, and they decided to give one drugs, to prepare one drugs and give a brief idea about the drugs at particular day. And all competitions started, competition proceeded, and had really wonderful things they narrated. I watched all competition and were selected first, second and third to be declared today, I think. And I'm proud and privileged to see this. And this should keep it up with the help of our teachers. This declaration of students will be encouraged, and further should continue with this name of Professor Dr. R.K. Das with the honor of institution. His memory, I thought the prize money should be given to everybody. Wish you all the best, and I am coming soon to you to talk. Thank you so much.
So, a very big round of applause for the students who win the third prize in the clinical society. Thank you. Now, the time for the second prize, and the second prize goes to
Adya Abhayani Mahapatro.
Medico Adya Abhayani Mahapatro.
He has a beautiful presentation of the clinical condition schizophrenia. Now, I request our guest of honor, Dr. Narayan Panda sir, who is the Dean of Students Affairs, NIT Rourkela.
So for Adya Abhayani Mahapatro, and the very talented student in this institute, hope for the best in her future endeavor. And thank you, sir, Professor Dr. Niranjana Panda sir, for your kind support for giving this prize to Medico Adya Abhayani. Thank you, sir. And next, the first prize. The very curious prize for this clinical society, it goes to Medico Chandrasekhar Sethi. The जोर ताली है जो Chandrasekhar Sethi भाई. And I had seen the efforts of Chandrasekhar Sethi. And for at least 1 or 2 months, he had used to prepare for this clinical society program, and he had kept it and stood first in this contest. And Medico Chandrasekhar Sethi, please come to the stage, and I now request the chief speaker sir, Dr. Prabhat Kumar Malik sir, ex-associate professor, history from Ispat Autonomous College, Rourkela.
Chandrasekhar gave a beautiful presentation of the mental feature of
ये जोर ताली है जाओ.
Ignatia and
These are the very beautiful moments for our institution, and everyone should participate in next session so that we will get that prize. Thank you, sir. Now it's the time to all the contestants. All are winners actually, and all the contestants please come to the stage. Those are Madhusmita Behera,
on board BSMS,
Madhusmita Behera from 4th, Sunidhi Pragyamuni, Tarun Kumar Panda, everyone who has participated, please come. It's not the time to call all the names. Please come. Everyone come. Deepak Kumar Parida, Smruti Sagarwal from 4th BHMS, and from 3rd, Mukesh Kumar Malik. All are present here. Okay, come to the stage. Very quick, come to the stage. And Sai Swarup Nayak, Gyanaranjan Senapati from 3rd BHMS, and Vicky Paswan. Okay, everyone, come to the stage. From 2nd BHMS, Pratyush Sahu, Mahaprasad Mohanty, Sanchari Das. And from 1st BHMS, the guys named Himanshu Shekhar Samant, Medico Sagarika Satpathy, Mohammad Jisan, and Jagannath Raut, Jyotiranjan Pati, Soumya Samapika, Anuksha Panda, and Subhagya Rani Bhoi. Please everyone come to the stage, and I now request all the guests, please come to the stage. Sir, please, we will take a snap. Very beautiful moment. So, everyone, sir, ma'am, please, everyone come to this place. Okay, okay, come to this. So, everyone, just ready, and the honor goes to the students to participate in this clinical society contest. And the very beautiful thing that rupees 11,000 has been spent, and the whole money was given by Professor Dr. Anil Kumar Mishra sir. And thank you for him. And this type of initiative should be required in every institution, so that the enthusiasm of all the students will increase day by day. And the love towards homeopathy will increase from day by day. And now let us take a snap for this beautiful moment. Now let us finish this, and it's actually late, and I may beg pardon, sir. Okay. Everyone should get there. Okay. And now okay. Actually, there is very shortage of time. Sir will have some other commitments. Okay. Thank you. So let us have fun in next session for this program. And now it's actually late for our sir. The dean, he has some other assignment in somewhere. So I request. And now I request our Chief Speaker Sir, Dr. Prabhat Kumar Malik Sir, ex-Associate Professor of History, Ispat Autonomous College.